Good morning. It's a glorious morning. There's some lovely high cloud. Sun is rising over that side and it's going to be a beautiful sunrise. We left the lions yesterday at Marsh, at Rhino Flay, so we're heading straight there and hopefully they'll be out or drinking or something. If not, we're going to just find whatever we can, some zebra or something to film with the sunrise. When this sort of shoot where we don't have a specific target species, it's easy to get fixated on getting lions and leopards and cheetahs and things and actually miss a lot of the good life because you're too busy tracking and searching. And one has to actually just stop at sunrise and find something, anything, and get some pretty shots. Otherwise you'll regret it afterwards. So we found the lion tracks and they were headed into the thick bush and we started following them. But then I heeded my own advice and Andy said, hey. And we came back and we're filming a sunrise with a herd of wildebeest and it's beautiful. Maybe we would have found the lions in the thick, but it's probably a 1 in 100 chance. So this is the safer bet. A bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. Isn't that right, Andy?
Wise words, Rob.
And now it's actually lovely. The wildebeest are approaching. We also got a few jackals and Andy spotted some ostriches somewhere. They might come in. So it's a beautiful scene. And then once it's done, we'll go find those lions or a leopard or something. Yeah?
Yep. So we have to move again today. We are heading to CV9 from CV6 and we're going to drag the trailer as is again.
Here we are at campsite number 9. Not bad at all. Decent tree for shade. Andy just needs to level things out a bit here. Will you dig a hole in front of the right wheel of the trailer, please, Andy? Not too deep and not too shallow, Andy. Must be just right. Got a nice new drone, DJI Mavic 3 Pro, and I've actually registered it in Botswana, so I can fly legally, but I still can't fly legally in national parks because there's no way to get permission to do that at the moment. So, but I am using it as a gimbal. Holding it in my hand, pointing out the window, does a nice steady gimbal shot. I got the controller there on my lap, so I can see what I'm filming, and it's doing a pretty decent job. Look at it properly on the computer later, but I think it's definitely much better than the GoPro. Not quite as good as rigging the V-Raptor on the RS3, but the issue with that is I've then got to take the big lens off the V-Raptor, and then if we see something happen in the distance, I can't film it. It takes about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes to re-rig the big camera. So that always makes me nervous to not have a long lens ready to go. But this is great. I can just sort of pull it out, grab some shots, then put it away again. Whee!
It was a very quiet afternoon, and we were just driving around looking for the lions for a while and couldn't come up with anything, so we're just heading back slowly to camp when all of a sudden we came across 13 lions. So we're very happy. You won't be able to see on the camera here because they're a bit far away.
I'll see it. I'll point them out to the good folk. So what we've got is one big male, a lioness, two more lionesses and another big male, and then a lot of teenagers. There's about 4 in there, 5 actually. Here's one coming, 6, and there's another one over there, 7, and then all the way up on the hill over there is another big male. Let me zoom in for you there. Okay, and that's it. That was lovely. We the lions got more active just after sunset. We got quite some nice shots of the cubs playing. we've got the lionesses yawning, the big lionesses, and moving around a little bit and grooming. Big males didn't do that much. There were 4 of them actually, and they occasionally, a couple of them got up and moved a few meters, then lay down again, but that is about it. But yeah, beautiful, good location, nice and open, and yeah, the light was stunning, so really happy with that scene. And yeah, we still got about 5 minutes to get back to camp. Probably will be 5 minutes late, but I'm sure that'll be fine. And yeah, see you tomorrow.